Unit 6, Lesson 8, Equal and Equivalent. Number 1. A. Draw a diagram of x plus 3 and a diagram of 2x when x is 1. When x has a value of 1 square on my grid equals x. X plus 3, that's a total of 4 squares, or 4 units. And then 2x, that's a total of 2 squares, or 2 units. B. Draw a diagram of x plus 3 and of 2x when x is 2. When the value of x is 2 squares on my graph paper would equal 1x. So x plus 3 totals 5 squares, or 5 units, and 2x totals 4 squares, or 4 units. C. Draw a diagram of x plus 3 and of 2x when x is 3. When the value of x is 3 squares in my grid would equal 1x. So x plus 3 equals a total of 6 squares, or 6 units, and 2x is a total of 6 units. D. Draw a diagram of x plus 3 and of 2x when x is 4. When the value of x is 4, x is represented by 4 squares on my grid. X plus 3 equals a total of 7 squares on my grid, or 7 units. And 2x is equivalent to 8 units. E. When are x plus 3 and 2x equal? When are they not equal? Use your diagrams to explain. Diagram C is equal, and diagrams A, B, and D are not equal. Here's a look at diagram A, and you can tell that they're not equivalent because x plus 3 has a value of 4 units and 2x only has a value of 2 units. Here's a look at diagram B, and you can tell that they're not equal because x plus 3 is equivalent to 5 units and 2x is equivalent to 4 units. Here's a look at diagram C, and these two expressions are equal because x plus 3 is equivalent to 6 units and 2x is also equivalent to 6 units. And here's a look at diagram D. They are not equal because x plus 3 is equivalent to 7 units and 2x is equivalent to 8 units. Number 2. A. Do 4x and 15 plus x have the same value when x is 5? When x equals 5, 4x is 4 times 5, and that equals 20. And 5 plus x is 5 plus 5, and that also equals 20. So yes, they do have the same value. B. Are 4x and 15 plus x equivalent expressions? Explain your reasoning. No, they are not equivalent expressions because equivalent expressions must have the same value no matter what the value of the variable is. For example, if x was worth 5, 4 times 5 is 20, and 15 plus 5 is 20. But if x were worth 3, 4 times 3 would be 12, and 15 plus 3 would be 18. So they are not equivalent expressions. Number 3. A. Check that 2b plus b and 3b have the same value when b is 1, when b is 2, and when b is 3. First, when the value of b is 1, 2 times 1 plus 1 is 3, and 3 times 1 is 3. So yes, they have the same value. When the value of b is 2, 2 times 2 plus 2 is 6, and 3 times 2 is 6. So yes, they have the same value. And finally, when b has the value of 3, 2 times 3 plus 3 equals 9, and 3 times 3 equals 9. So yes, they also have the same value. B. Do 2b plus b and 3b have the same value for all values of b? Explain your reasoning. Yes, they are both the same as 3b because 2b plus b equals 3b. C. Are 2b plus b and 3b equivalent expressions? Yes, because 2b plus b equals 3b. No matter what the value is for b, both expressions have a value 3 times greater than b. Number 4. 80% of x is equal to 100. A. Write an expression that shows the relationship of 80%, x, and 100. The equation that I wrote was 8/10 times x equals 100. B. Use your equation to find x. My equation is 8/10 times x equals 100. Just like 2 times 5 equals 10, and 10 divided by 2 equals 5, 8/10 times x equals 100, and 100 divided by 8/10 will equal x. We'll have to multiply by the reciprocal of 8/10, which means 1,000 divided by 8, and 1,000 divided by 8 equals 125. The value for x is 125. Number 5. For each story problem, write an equation to represent the problem and then solve the equation. Be sure to explain the meaning of any variables you use. A. Jada's dog was 5.5 inches tall when it was a puppy. Now her dog is 14.5 inches taller than that. How tall is Jada's dog now? 5.5 inches plus 14.5 inches equals 20. Jada's dog is 20 inches tall. This giant blue X covering up the 20 is the variable. It represents the height of Jada's dog. So the variable, in this case, is worth 20. Who knows how tall her dog might be in the future, and that variable would be worth a different value. But today, it's worth 20. B. Lynn picked 9 3/4 pounds of apples, which was 3 times the weight of the apples Andre picked. How many pounds of apples did Andre pick? 9 3/4 equals 3 times x, and this x represents the pounds of apples that Andre picked. 9 3/4 divided by 3 will give us the value for x. 9 3/4 can also be written as 39/4. We're going to multiply by the reciprocal of 3, and that's 1 over 3. 39/4 times 1/3 equals 39/12, or 3 3/12, which is the same as 3 1/4. Andre picked 3 1/4 pounds of apples. Congratulations, you have completed Unit 6, Lesson 8, Equal and Equivalent.